Nothing. Well, you know what? It smells too small anyway. Don't do it. Set this to the side. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna take a break, I guess.